Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for team management. We will explore its powerful features to streamline your team's workflow and boost productivity. You will learn to set up a collaborative workspace, manage projects efficiently, and enhance team communication. This easy guide will help you transform how your team works together, making every project smoother and more organized. Setting up your Notion workspace correctly is the first crucial step. Begin by creating a central hub for your team, then organize pages and databases to reflect your team's structure and projects. Remember to invite all team members, carefully assigning roles and permissions to ensure everyone has the right level of access. This foundational setup ensures a smooth and secure collaborative environment for everyone. Notion excels at managing tasks and projects. Create robust databases to track every project, assigning tasks to specific team members with clear due dates. You can then visualize your team's progress using different views, such as a Kanban board for workflow, a calendar for deadlines, or a simple list. This flexibility helps your team stay on top of every deliverable. Notion significantly enhances team collaboration. Use comments and discussions directly on pages to keep communication centralized and contextual. Share updates, provide feedback, and brainstorm ideas in real time, ensuring everyone is always on the same page. You can also integrate Notion with other essential tools, creating a powerful, unified workflow that boosts your team's overall efficiency and connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.